Hi everybody. Today we are talking about how to submit the slurm uh, onto CCR and let CCR to run a very simple Matlab script for us. So first we need to uh, connect the VPN. I use the Fort client VPN to connect the UB CCR, and then we use a tool to get access. I use mobile extern, this one, to access to CCR. So this one is already opened. I think it's here. And you just type your login information, then you can log out. Then find your working folder, working directory. My working directory is the address here. First, let's load my module. Its module use this address. Okay, so it's done. And then you see the Matlab is already loaded, so I do not need to load it again. Okay, so as Matlab is already loaded, we open the Matlab GUI. It takes a while to open the Matlab GUI through the CCR. And we see Matlab is opening now. Yeah, it's opened. Okay, so the Matlab GUI is opened. So then this is the easiest script for the Matlab we want to run through the CCR, and then easiest example. So first we write through the GUI a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and we want to print the sum. Let's click run. And we can see the console returns the value s equals to 3. Then this is we want to get through the Matlab script submit on CCR. We then close the GUI. As GUI is closed, following we'll talk about the slurm and the formats. So this is the formats of the slurm, and pay attention, the suffix should be .sh. Then we open it. Yeah, this one. And on here you should mention your account name, cluster's name. Usually cluster should be the faculty or student. Account should be your account, and the partition sometimes be general, debug, or specified, like ICCC is for ISV department, and QoS is you can got from your PI or your supervisor, and this is the time for running this script. The maximum time set is 72 hours. If you set the time to 2 hours, and if running this script on CCR up beyond 2 hours, then it will terminate. The nodes, I said nodes 1 here. That means how many you can interpret like how many computers you request, and the number of the tasks per nodes you can interpret as how many calls per node. And this is a memory you request. I request 16 gigabytes here, and this is my email, and it will email me when the job starts and also when it ends. That's the job name, and the output is two outputs. One is the output for the results. It should returns me s equals to 3, and the error, if any error, it returns you something. If it's not, then there should be leave blank. And this is job ID, node list, and nodes, and slurm temp directory, and we keep it as the default. And this is the module I use, which I show you in the Linux terminal window. I use my module under my name, and I load Matlab's 2016B version to solve this problem. And I put a script here when means the job starts, and the name of the Matlab is sum1 underscore 1. So it's the name of this file's name, Matlab class name. We want to submit through the CCR. And when our job is done, it's all done. Okay, now let's submit the slurm. So pay attention, you should make your directory under the name of your slurm and also your scripts. So it's both under my name, module underscore 1. Submit the slurm is sbatch. Dash underscore 1 dot sh. Okay, so it's submitted, and my job number is this one, job ID. Okay, so we check our email. I should already receive email about the job is already submitted. Yeah, the job is 1879. The queuing time is 1 second. Yeah, this is the job, and it just lets you know when the job starts. It starts at what time? At 1:27, and we wait a while. Let me just pause here. We wait a while for the result. It returns. Okay, we got the results of our running, and it takes 1 minute and 52 seconds. And this is the name of our submission. Okay, not this one. Here, name of our submission, Matlab underscore sum. Matlab underscore sum. Job ID, the same, 1879. And my user and my group, and how CPU use 15 seconds to calculate it, and the total job time is 1 minute and 52 seconds, and how much of the CPU efficiency and how much of the memory I used for this job. Okay, so let's check the results in the CCR. We refresh it. Then it turns out the output and the sum, the output and the error. We click the error, the output. Okay, you see, S returns S equals to 3, the same as we run in the GUI. And we check the error. There's no error. It only say we currently load the module is Matlab 16B. So submit our job. Hope you like it. Then further we can have more explanation for this. Okay, bye.